It's been about an hour and a half, and I think this first loaf is ready to go. I'm going to turn the whole thing around here. I'll get my blade wet here, and we'll do a nice long slash. Then I would like to do something a little bit different on the edge. That's just for fun. So let's pop that into the oven and we'll see how it does. I've preheated the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. And I'll be turning it down to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. I'll be using the roasting pan lid for the first 15 minutes of the bake. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. 15 minutes is up. Let's see how it's looking. Oh, that's a pretty loaf. Okay. Let's get that back in. Another 15 to 20 minutes. Here's our first Stegosaurus loaf. It took 15 minutes for the first half of the bake with the roasting pan lid on, and then 25 minutes for the second part of the bake. So here's our beautiful Stegosaurus loaf. It's looking pretty good.